Tell us a little bit about how this conference has been for you this week.
This conference has been great. You know, it's interesting. The last conference we were at is sort of old world technology. They talk about data warehouses and sort of some of yesterday ETL tools, things like this. Here, everybody's really with it. They get it. They're talking about Hadoop and how Hadoop is becoming the center of their data environment. So it's a really progressive crowd, which has been great for us.
So Cognito, where do you sit in that whole ecosystem?
So Cognitio is an in-memory analytical platform. So what we do is we sit on top of Hadoop as an accelerator for SQL queries. So more often than not, people are using some sort of tool that the business users are very accustomed to, and they want to use Hadoop, but they can't do all of the ad hoc analytics they want to do on Hadoop directly. So they run Kognitio in the middle, which uses really fast, scalable, in-memory computing to do real-time analytics on big data sets. And it's very exciting to be here because these people get it, and they understand those kinds of large-scale, complex queries that they can't do with anything else. Nothing else is quite like what we do. It's just a massively parallel in-memory computing.
So which industry verticals are most apt to be using Cognito?
So right now we do a lot of work in retail, customer analytics, customer loyalty, those kinds of things, web trends, and those sorts of analyses, as well as people who use data as the lifeblood of their company. So an analytical service provider, if you will, where what they provide in whatever industry they sit in, whether it's insurance or healthcare or what have you, they're providing as a product analytics on big sets of data. And everybody, even smaller companies, have big data problems. So we try to do a lot of our effort to go to the mid-market clients, the clients that are smaller companies but still have big data problems.
So where do you see this going in the future?
You know, I think anybody who doesn't think that Hadoop is going to become the center of the big data world is probably just not there. They're just not with it. The Hadoop community has developed to a point where they will conquer every problem. So all of the shortcomings that Hadoop has now, they will eventually conquer over. And this community of people who have built the picks and shovels on the road to the gold mine that is in their data are going to benefit from that going forward.
Excellent. Michael, great talking with you.
Thank you very much.
See you at the next Strata.